Hi there, my name's Adam Goodman. I'm a lawyer. I started my career practicing criminal law, representing people charged with various criminal offenses.
My name's Alex, I'm a lawyer. I started my career as a criminal defense attorney.
Early on, I branched out into this niche area that I call academic law. And I was featured in a CBC documentary, and I became really one of the experts in this area in the country.
I've just recently came on board here at Academic Law, so I've been here for just over a year doing various different academic offense matters. Academic law, in a nutshell, are dealing with disputes that students may have with their colleges, with their universities.
Anything involving a student and their college or university that gets a little formal or gets a student in a little bit of trouble.
It could be undergraduate, it could be postgraduate, but anything necessarily dealing with the student and the university itself.
Generally speaking, cheating and academic integrity allegations, but it could also include things like non-academic discipline, petitioning for withdrawal of courses, issues with proper accommodations. It really can run the gamut of different things.
I think one of my passions has always been being able to help people who may not necessarily be able to help themselves. I think that's why I chose to start my career as a criminal defense attorney.
And there's a parallel to criminal law that sometimes a mistake you made shouldn't define you, and it gives me an opportunity to really help these students not be defined by a mistake that they made when they're very young.
Generally, I think it's very important to be able to represent needs of students who, without us, might not be able to know where to go in these kind of academic situations.
It's a pleasure to be able to do because I'm able to help students who are facing some very difficult situations that could have long-term impacts on both their academic career and their future careers. One thing is my experience. I've been doing this for over a decade. I have represented students from coast to coast. I have experience before different university tribunals and committees. I've prepared written petitions, and I've often been successful in getting good results for students.
Many other fields of legal work tend to overlap in terms of academic offenses.
We're able to help students with exactly what they need, as opposed to calling us up and looking to retain us for this large-scale project that it's unclear what is going to be required in terms of legal work.
We often get calls from senior counsel and lawyers in different other areas that consult us regarding academic offense-related matters.
There's two specific areas I can recommend, one of which is be very careful with your citations. Make sure you're following the rules of citing other sources that your professor teaches you. And the other thing is group work. When you're doing a project with others, you can't just have everybody do their own portion and throw it all together, because if one student doesn't follow proper academic integrity, it's possible your school is going to hold everybody responsible because, frankly, all of your names are on that paper.
When you have issues pertaining to your various colleges and universities, the first thing you want to do is seek help and be able to understand what issues the university or college might be alleging, and being able to find a lawyer to be able to assess your needs and what you should watch out for before it gets too late. Because often a lot of these things can snowball and it can lead to further issues down the road. So you want to be prepared for that, and the best way to do that is to consult with people like me in order to be able to deal with those things head on first.